If you are exploring low-code platforms, you may have come across Mendix. Most people get this wrong. They think low-code means low functionality. The surprising truth is that Mendix combines ease of use with powerful enterprise-level capabilities, allowing companies to build complex applications faster than traditional coding. Mendix is a low-code application development platform designed for businesses that need custom apps without the long timelines of traditional software development. Using visual modeling, drag-and-drop interfaces, and pre-built templates, users can create web and mobile apps quickly. This is especially useful for non-technical users or business analysts who want to implement solutions without relying entirely on IT. The platform also supports collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same project simultaneously, with real-time updates and version control. Mendix integrates with existing systems like SAP, Salesforce, and Microsoft Azure, making it suitable for companies with complex IT infrastructures. Another key feature is its flexibility. Mendix apps can scale to enterprise needs, handle large data volumes, and support automation workflows. Advanced developers can also extend functionality with custom code if needed, giving a balance between low-code convenience and full coding power. There are some considerations. Mendix can be expensive for small businesses, and while it's designed to be user-friendly, learning the platform fully can take time. However, their tutorials, documentation, and community support make onboarding smoother. In conclusion, Mendix is a robust platform for businesses looking to accelerate app development while maintaining flexibility and scalability. It's ideal for organizations that want to innovate faster without compromising on quality. If this review helped you understand Mendix, subscribe for more software reviews and business tools insights to help you make the right choice.